Kristalli shopping center in Savonlinna.
Or cooperation store.
Yeah, or not. This is not in store.
Oh, very nice place.
Yeah.
That leveling.
Basement is locked.
Built in 1981, modernized in 2013. Age 44889. 8 processor, 630 kilograms. The cab is amazing.
Yeah.
It used to be one of the nicest chemicals before. Inspected by Inspector Amendment Kone.
Motor is still original.
Yeah. Or it's just a little bit modernized. I think it's only we have modernized.
Yeah.
It used to have grey bumpers.
Yeah.
I first thought that this shopping center is like a good big one, but it actually like this crappy one.
Yeah.
This is almost like shopping centers at Imatra.
Yeah.
They try to make it as nice and like good, but never like really good. Music.
That's